Hello. Hey guys, this is Notary Life with Kimmi. Well, today we are talking all about why you need to have a business checking account. So I am actually in the process today going to open a business checking account. And I thought this would be a good time to tell you why you need one and why I am going to open mine today. Okay, so let's get right into it. So you need a business account separate from your personal account because you don't want to mix all of your stuff together, right? You want to have your business stuff over here and your personal stuff over here. Now, let me start by saying you don't have to have a business account to start your business, because some people will say, well, I can't start until I have an LLC, a EIN, and my business checking account. No, it took me a minute to open all of that. Why? Because the EIN is completely free if you want to go ahead and get that. But you want to have the name of your business first. Then you want to get your EIN, and then you want to establish your LLC. I have videos on all of those, okay? But today we're talking about the business checking account. Having a business checking account is going to help you for tax purposes. When you get ready to go and do your taxes, you don't have to wonder, well, this particular lunch when I use my card over here was for personal, this was for business, my gas expense over here. You know, everything is completely separate. You want to, you may not keep receipts for everything, right? So you can go back and look at your business checking account and look at all your expenses. This is what I bought my paper. I used my card for this. I took that person for lunch. We were discussing whatever. My FedEx account. When I do my apostilles, I have to pay for the shipping. So I use my business debit card for that. So it comes out the business account. That way, again, you don't have to guess and wonder, you know. You also want to have a business checking account because when you start doing loan signings or signings period, even general notary work, people will write you a check. So from the loan signing company, they might write the check payable to Smith's Mobile Notary. But if you only have a bank account that says John Smith Personal, they may not put the business check into your personal account. So that's another reason why you need to have everything separate. And you want to be about business. Again, they may not deposit that check for you. Now you're stuck, right? Also, it is good to have a separate account for, again, I already mentioned the FedEx, for all of your payments. When you have to pay people, you have to pay your witnesses sometimes, right? So maybe most of the time I pay my witnesses by using Cash App or something, but just say you want to pay somebody for doing any work for your business, and it's going to be a business expense. You want to have a few checks with your business name on it, and that way you can write them a check. Also, as you continue to grow, you'll want to have proof of income. And the best way to do that is to have all the money to go into the business checking account. So, for example, a lot of money that we receive as cash is notary sometimes. So if you're constantly getting $25 here, $50 there, and you're spending it as it's coming in, it's not going anywhere into a bank account. So when you get ready to go buy a house in a couple years, they have no record. You may be making all this money, but on paper it shows $0 or $100 or $200, whatever. So you want to take all that cash and put it into the bank account, and that way they can have a running record. And when they pull your 2 years worth of bank statements, which is normally what they will do, then they can see how much money you made, okay? And it's a good paper trail also for you to have a separate account, separate business account, as we already talked about. You may not keep all the receipts. So some things to think about when you're opening your business checking account also are the monthly fees. How much are they going to be charging you monthly just to have the account? Is there a fee at all? I like credit unions also, but check and see if there's a bank. Chase is really good about that. They usually give you an opening credit of $300, $200 to $300. So you might even do like a Google search, best bank account, best business checking account to open right now. And a list of them will pop up, okay? Sometimes there's a per transaction fee. Every time you use your debit or credit card, they may charge you a fee. So you want to check and see if they have that fee attached. Also, per cash. So like sometimes my bank, if you deposit over a certain amount of cash, they start charging you a fee. So just see what all fees are attached to this new business checking account that you're going to be opening. You also will be able to save some of your tax money. So you know you have to pay quarterly taxes or whatever. You might open up another business savings account for that. So much of your business checking account, once you get that fully established, you might take a part of it, move it over to savings. That way when tax time comes, you have to pay that bill. You won't be struggling. You already have a little cushion there and already saved up, okay? So these are just also, as you continue to prepare to open your business checking account, it's good to get you a folder or something like this and put all your documents in there. So within my document here, my little package, I have my copy of my LLC, which has my business name on it. I have my EIN number, which is also something that they will require to open the business checking account. So they don't require that much, but it is a process. So again, you do want to choose your business name. I have a video on that. Once you choose your business name, then you want to get your EIN number. I have a video on that. And then at that point, you would just establish an LLC if you'd like. I have a video on that also. So all three of those videos will help you to build the business part. And then finally, once you have those little things in order, then you're ready to go and actually open your business checking account, okay? So don't just walk in and say, I want to open a business checking account. Unless you're doing sole proprietorship, and that's when they use your social security number. So that is another way around that also. You can use your own social, and that's just saying that you are the only person, the only owner of the business is a sole proprietorship. So you have a couple different ways that you can structure your business. That's going to be my LLC video, so I'm not getting into that right here. So go and check that one out. But yeah, get that business banking account, okay? So these are just a few tips about opening your business checking account. And as you continue to grow, you do want to have all your ducks in a row, okay? Hey, did y'all like my little rhyme there? As you continue to grow, you want to have all your ducks in a row. Well, anyway, this is Notary Life with Kimmi, okay? That just came to me. All right, until next time, people. Bye.